How to log into Cash App with Cashtag. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into Cash App with Cashtag. So therefore, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there are certain methods you need to follow in order to do. First of all, you need to download the Cash App application into your device, which is easily available on Google Play Store. After that, to log in Cash App using your Cash App, you just need to follow the steps. Number one step is open the Cash App on your mobile device. After that, you'll be able to see the home screen where you'll be able to see the sign in option. Simply tap on the sign in option. After that, you just need to log in using your sign in credentials. After that, enter your Cash tag in the provided field. And on number 4, you just need to follow the prompts to enter your password or use any other verification method required. After that, once you have successfully entered into your Cash tag, verify your identity and you will be logged into your Cash App account. And don't worry if you have forgotten your Cash tag or password, you can use the forgot Cash tag or forgot password options on the login screen. After that, go on with the process and you should be able to use Cash App and your Cash tag. So therefore, just follow the steps and you may be able to log in Cash App using your Cash tag. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.